Hello, and welcome to Dashboard U, brought to you by Ross Video. My name is John Naylor. I'm the Marketing Product Manager for Dashboard. In this video, we're going to learn about canvases, how to apply images to them, how to create split canvases, how to create groups of tabs, and, for the advanced, how to bring a tab or a canvas to the front using the OGScript reveal command. So here I am in Dashboard. I'm going to do the usual of creating a new custom panel file. Let's give it a name. Now, a canvas is, this is a canvas, the whole of the background, and you can stack canvases on top of each other. Let's go and edit this background canvas and apply an image to it. So we go to the style here, and we can apply an image using a URL. My libraries, pictures. I have some sample pictures kindly supplied with the operating system. So let's go and put a chrysanthemum on the background. And there we have an attractive chrysanthemum all over the background of my user interface. Let's go and put a split in now. Here is the tool for the split, and again it's select the tool, then drag out the area that you want to use for it. Let's go and drag out this area here and make a horizontal split. Now, to the left and the right of the split, we now have two new canvases. Let's make that clear by applying a different image to these. Okay, this is a split. Let's drop out of edit mode and see what it does. Split is a really good way of organizing, saving space on your user interface. You can basically have all of one, half of each, or all of the other on a split, and they work vertically as well as horizontally. The other interesting user interface element for getting more out of your screen real estate is the tab group. Let's go and create a blank canvas. Let's do it over here. And now let's go and put a tab group into it. Like that. Let's put 3 tabs in, accept the defaults, and now we have our tabs. And again, this is a good way of organizing controls by logical groups and being able to tab between them. To show that these are canvases, I'm once more going to apply images to them. And I'm actually going to move between tabs using the Source Navigator because it's a little bit quicker. Final one. Everyone likes penguins. So now we have 3 tabs with 3 different pictures on them, and they split with 2 different pictures on it. Now to show you how to bring these to the front programmatically rather than explicitly pressing a tab, I'm going to put in some buttons. And I'm going to arrange them in a table. One row of 3 buttons. And let's quickly edit these. Let's give it a name of 1. Two, and 3. Now I'm going to give this tab its name, or identity I mean. Let's double click it, and we see we have tab 1, 2 and 3 here. If we select this one, you see we have its name, that's what appears in the label. Let's go and give it an ID though. Let's call it tab 1. And let's go and do that the same for the other tabs. Again, I'm using the source navigator to get around more quickly. And now I'm going to program these buttons to reveal these tabs. We do this by adding a task. So here's the user interface for this, button. Let's add a task. ogscript.reveal, and we put the name of the identity of the tab in, tab 1. Finish with a semicolon and hit OK. Now if we drop out of edit mode, hitting this button will reveal that tab. So while you weren't looking, I programmed buttons 2 and 3 to reveal the associated tabs 2 and 3. So now we can change tabs using UI components like this. So to review, we've shown canvases and that images can be applied to these canvases, that canvases can be split to give you this ability of controlling and organizing your user interface. We've also introduced tabs and the way that they can control user interfaces. We've introduced scripting in a very rudimentary way by adding a task for each of these buttons to use the ogscript reveal command that shows those tabs. All really good ways of both organizing your user interface and applying decent artwork to make it more attractive and professional looking. Thanks for watching this video from Dashboard U. Come back often to see what other videos we make. And remember that Panel Builder is so simple to use that even the marketing guy can do it.